Welcome back to another hunting video. Today we'll just be hunting in this place, so hope it's a good video. We're just gonna be hunting this place. Oh, Dad, golf ball, I think. No. Yeah, golf ball. Look at this place. You guys see any good stuff? This is not a nice video. Braxton, stop. Tell me if you see something. There's a lot of little bugs here. If we do ever die, this is where we die. I'm kidding. I see some bubbles here. Yeah, I see them. Whoa, this is cool.
This is a bit.
Oh, Dad, I hit a golf ball over here once. Another seesaw. Yeah, I'm splashing the water. It is actually pretty warm. Another seesaw. So you guys remember to like and subscribe the video, give a thumbs up. There's my friend's beautiful house. Jackson. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Wait. More baby ducks. This is gonna be the end of the video,
We're not going
you
in the
guys.
house, guys.
So see you later.